Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. Now obviously you can see that the device in front of me is locked, and I can unlock it either using a pattern or using the Google account. Now the pattern that is right here will be a fairly important part of it, so try to keep in mind that right now I have a pattern as a way of unlocking this device. So to get started with the bypass, you want to get back to the Wi-Fi page, so right over here, and what you want to do is be connected to Wi-Fi, and once you are, you want to then tap on the toggle right here to turn it off, and basically at the same time you want to tap on the next button. Now you will repeat this a couple times till the phone finally passes you through. It will basically glitch the setup screen right here and allow you to pass further even though you don't have Wi-Fi, and then because of that it will also skip the verification page. So let's get to it. So it pops up with no internet, cool, skip anyway, and when you do that, as you can see, it just simply goes back to the same screen. So again, we're gonna turn it on and repeat this process. And I think it worked this time. Yep, so it did work this time around. So you basically want to press both of those keys almost at the exact same time, with the toggle actually being a slither of a second before the next button. If you press them at the same time, next will be a priority and it will not turn off Wi-Fi, it will just kind of go forward with it being on. So make sure you tap on the toggle before you actually tap on the next. And from here, once you get to this page, instead of being stuck on the Wi-Fi, you want to basically progress through it to this screen right over here, where you can set up a screen lock. Now, as you've seen, like I mentioned in the beginning, the pattern is a fairly important part of this bypass, so there was a pattern. Now we can basically set up some kind of passcode, and just to keep it different, I'm gonna go with a PIN. And from here, I'm gonna use a PIN, fairly easy one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I encourage you to basically also select PIN and set it to be the same thing, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It will make it a lot easier going through the process to basically tell you what you need to put in to basically continue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, next, again, repeat it, 1, 2, 3, 4, confirm it. And you can see screen lock has been changed. So from here, it goes back to the Wi-Fi screen as it realizes that it should be here still. So all we need to do now is enable this and then press next. Now you will see right now that the way of verifying the old account is by using the PIN. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and bam, we're basically unlocked. So from here, we're gonna skip most of this. The device is still not really fully unlocked. It still has the old account in the system, even though it's not logged in. If you were to reset the device through recovery mode, the device would go back to being locked. So what you want to do right now is simply finish up the setup, going through it, skipping most of it, because it doesn't really matter what we will do at the moment. So skip most of the things that you can. And if this will happen to you, where the phone actually just kind of starts infinitely loading, to get past this, what you want to do is simply hold the power key. And from there, you want to tap on the power off restart option. There we go. And simply restart the device. So once the device boots back up, which should be right about now, what we want to do is basically go through the setup process of this device as quick as we can. And once we get access to the home screen, you want to then go to Settings, scroll down to System, and go to Factory Data Reset. Okay, so again, this is the pin because we have chosen one, so we need to unlock it even though we haven't even completed the setup of this device. So again, put 1, 2, 3, 4 to unlock it, and then progress through the setup. Okay, so as you can see, we're now on the home screen. Once it actually loads the apps, there we go. You want to go into the settings right over here and scroll down to System, Restart and Reset, Factory Data Reset, and then here it gives you information that it will remove basically everything from the device. Now there is nothing on this device, it has been reset, so it's basically fully clean, apart from the Google account. Now in normal circumstances, when you are logged into a Google account and you go through this menu right here, it will show you somewhere right here the Google account that will be removed. But in this case, we're not really logged into a Google account, but it's still present on this device, the old one that was blocking us. And performing a reset through the settings will remove that account that is still residing somewhere in this device. So let's just tap on Reset Phone. Now again, we need to confirm the PIN, so 1, 2, 3, 4, OK, and then tap on Delete All, Reset, and the process will begin. And this will take a couple of minutes. Now once it's finished, we should be then back in the setup screen with the difference of the device being at that point fully unlocked. So once you're on the setup screen, you can from there basically go to the setup as however you like, adding or skipping, whatever you like. So I'll be back once it's actually visible. Okay, and as you can see, the process is finished, so let's go through the setup once more. Now, again, I'm gonna basically progress through it as quick as I can, but this time around you can do whatever you want. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi, you are free to do so. I will skip it just to save a little bit on time, and skip a couple steps throughout the setup process. And this is basically it. As you can see, I went through the setup without needing to do any kind of extra steps. The device is by now fully unlocked, and this is how you bypass the Google verification on this phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.